Create a cheerful, magical kit. Nursery rhyme style audio, soft background music with light chimes, gentle drums and forest and voice should be warm, friendly and excited. Pace should be slow and clear for children. Slight echo of magic effects. Read the following lines with joy